What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Max Outdoors video. Hope everyone is having a great day and a great summer. You're great, you're awesome. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Max Outdoors. As you can read from the title of this video, I've got a 3D printed bait. And we're gonna see if we can go catch some fish. It's early in the morning. It's not like our past videos in this throughout the summer where we're fishing a little later in the afternoon and stuff. We are fishing early in the morning. So we're gonna see if the topwater bite's going on. This is a 3D printed popper. See the lip right there. Threw some treble hooks on it. One of my great friends throughout the whole entire world, my friend Ben. Shout out to Ben. Shout out to you, bro. Made this for me. He's got a couple 3D printers at home. And he was like, hey, Jack, I know that you catch all these fish, dude. Could you catch one on a 3D printed bait? I said, that's a great idea. Let's make a video out of it. So he made me this. He made me this a while ago. I just haven't gotten to this video yet, but now we're here. Let's get it. That's awesome. So here it is, right here. There's a little rattle inside. So I just threw some treble hooks on it last night. Yeah, so we're gonna also be fishing out of the canoe today, so that'll be exciting. Yeah, I'm just gonna get some stuff ready, get our gear all set up, ready to go, and we're gonna get after it. You guys stay tuned. This is gonna be a great video. Comment down, start of this video. Comment down before we really get into it. Am I gonna catch some fish on this? Comment down. What do you guys think? All right, here we go.
This thing?
Sure.
Did you look at it?
Yeah. Alrighty, got our popper, 3D printed, baby. Right around the water, first spot. Tying this guy up. Here we go. Perfect.
For the boat.
Nice.
There.
Here we go. Here we go. First cast. Let's see how it casts. I'm not a skilled bait caster, guys. It's got some good pop. Oh gosh, yeah, there it is. There it is. Yep. Got a side cast. I got a side cast.
Then you gotta give her a little time.
There it is. Fish. I can't tell. No. It's not horrible. It's kind of small. Oh, a little largy.
It's fun when they jump though.
Yep. Come on, boat flip them.
Grab it.
There it is. Nice. Can't beat it. Some skinny fish,
Yeah,
dude.
they're not eating good. I don't know why. When are they eating?
Yeah, I don't know. Some skinny fish, dude. Wow. Hit it, dude. Hooked up, baby.
Bring 'em over.
Hooked up. Oh, yeah. Nice smallie.
Oh, oh,
Hold on.
there it is.
Got him. There we go. Switched up, guys. I was getting bored with the 3D.
Measure, baby.
With the 3D printed bait, so I had to switch it up and catch me a fish. Get on the board at least. But we got us a nice smallie. Ate it. Hammered it. Frickin' hammered it, dude. See if I can get this out. Come on, buddy. Let's get this guy unhooked.
Is it deep?
Yeah. I knew I forgot something.
No,
And I forgot the pliers.
I was gonna figure it out.
Yep. Put that down. That's a little small, you guys. Okay. Later, bud. Oh my gosh, I'm hooked up on the 3D printed bait. Oh, it's a nice bass.
Oh, there's a nice bass.
Oh yeah, get it. No way. No way.
Bring it over.
No way. No way. On the 3D printed bass, or on the 3D printed bait. He's peeling, he's taking. He's taking. No way, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, got him hooked good too. Right here, right here. Yes, 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 yes. No way.
That's crazy.
Look at that on the 3D printed bait. Are you kidding me?
Is that deep?
Yeah, I casted it out deep. No stinking way. Are you serious? Please tell me I'm filming. Yes. Look at that. Right there. No stinking way, dude. A little bit. Look at that right in the corner of the mouth. No way. On the 3D printed bait right there. This is all, as you could tell from my reaction, this is all real. Look at that. That's probably best fish of the day. He just took off with it. Let's go. Alrighty, just got pictures. Look at that stud. Oh, don't worry, buddy. I'm gonna let you go right here. Off this drop off right here. There he goes. Yep. Later, dude. Let's go. Alrighty, everyone. Wow, my hair is chopped. That is gonna be the conclusion of today's video. It was a great day out on the water. Literally, it was just us. These two cars just got here. but it was just us on the water. There was like no one out there. Fishing was still good, even though we had some crazy rainstorms and flooding here in southeastern Wisconsin. Caught a fish on the 3D printed bait, so challenge completed. That was like the main goal today. That's what the title of this video is going to be, is trying to catch fish on 3D printed bait. That was so much fun. It was a nice fish too, actually, but good fishing. Like usual, great memories with Pops out on the water. Can't beat it on this beautiful day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share the channel, comment down, leave a like, subscribe, put that bell notifications on. Yeah, share the channel to other people that would enjoy the outdoors and fishing and learning, and also from our aspect, also learning more about the outdoors, as we're always learning. So as you just heard, Pop started up the car. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.